In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect a newsletter in Kit with Squarespace. To begin, we are going to set up the form side in Kit so you can embed the newsletter sign-up onto your Squarespace site. Start by going to Grow, then look for the section called Landing Pages and Forms. This is where Kit manages your newsletter forms and related designs, so it is the correct place to create or prepare the form you will later connect to your website. Once you are on the Landing Pages and Forms page, click Create New. You are doing this so you can either build a new form or start from a fresh template, depending on what you want for your newsletter sign-up. After you click Create New, select Form. This selection ensures you are creating the right type of component for capturing subscribers. Next, choose your design. Kit will typically offer different layouts and styles, and selecting a design now matters because it controls how the sign-up form will look and how the embed will behave on the final page. Take a moment to pick the option that matches your website style, then continue through the setup until your form is ready. Now that your form design is in place, the key thing we need is the embed code. With your form open in Kit, click Embed. You will find the embed option at the top right, and it is the area where Kit provides the code that connects your form to any external website. After you click Embed, select JavaScript. This choice tells Kit that you want a JavaScript embed snippet rather than, for example, an HTML embed. Then copy the code that Kit provides. Make sure you copy the full snippet exactly as it appears, since the entire block of code is what will allow the form to render correctly on your Squarespace page. With the Kit embed code copied, you are ready to move to Squarespace. Open Squarespace now and navigate to the page where you want the newsletter sign-up to appear. Think about where your visitors will see it most easily, such as a sidebar area, a dedicated newsletter section, or a section near your main content. Once you are on the correct Squarespace page, add the code element. Click the plus icon, which is how you add new blocks or sections to your page. Then select Code Block. This matters because Squarespace needs a specific place to safely render custom code without interfering with your existing layout. Now you will paste and save the Kit snippet. In the code block, paste your Kit JavaScript snippet into the space provided. After the code is pasted, click Apply to let Squarespace process the snippet and confirm it is accepted. This step is important because it updates the block immediately, so you can then confirm the newsletter embed is connected. After clicking Apply, take a moment to save your page in Squarespace. Saving ensures that your changes are stored and that the embed will appear on the live version of your site. If Squarespace asks you to confirm, or if there is a save or publish prompt, follow through so the code is not lost. That is all there is to it. Once you have saved your page, your Kit newsletter form should be connected and ready for visitors on your Squarespace site. That covers everything you need to know.